I'm here to talk about the Postgraduate Certificate in Digital and Collaborative Learning, and we've had a huge number of teachers through. Something like between 5,000 and 6,000 people have been through this program, so it's had a great impact, we think, on education in New Zealand.
I work at Papatoi North School in the bilingual unit.
I'm actually quite a new educator.
Well, this year I'm relieving.
I'm an emergency medicine physician.
I'm a teacher at Te Kōwhai School.
I work for Deaf Education, NCEA Sign Language.
Came to the realisation is every one of our kids in our class has an iPad and they know how to use it better than me.
I was looking for something to understand a bit better the world that my students live in.
I've got challenging students. I need to educate myself as to how technology can help these kids.
Having not gone through the education sector other than being a learner, I need new ways to engage my learners.
I think technology is part of everyday life now. I think what it's really important is for our deaf and hard of hearing learners is that they actually especially learn how to use this technology to access the world in its entirety.
I like the way that it's taught. I like the flexibility. I like the way that you get to do activities before coming to the class, and in the class you are building on what you learned.
I've gone to various universities and done different postgrads. Academy at EX is doing something a little different, a little bit more progressive. It will draw my learners who come from a much more digital sphere than where I've come from.
What I learn here, I implement in the classroom the next day.
The goal is that you don't change who you are, you bring who you are to your studies, to your learning. And we've got our Hui Manaki team that will support you right through your whole journey.
It's given me fresh ideas. It's giving me new connections with other teachers who are doing the course all over the country.
I'm looking forward to finishing the 3-year course actually, because I've signed up for the Masters as well.
It changes my life. Look, I am 52, right? And I would never have thought I'd do what I'm doing. I am so doing it. I love it. It's great. Open my eyes, open my world.
I'd say just give it a go. It's really interesting and it will open your mind in ways of lateral thinking. So yeah, give it a go.